Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks for stopping by. You're watching 412 PSC Customs here on YouTube. My name is Matt Sr. I'm the founder and CEO of 412 Public Safety Equipment Customs here in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We are the industry leader in custom-built specialty vehicles, specializing in emergency fleets. So today's video is kind of a video that we've been looking forward to doing now here for a while. The two pieces of equipment that you see in front of you are the Feniex Fusion under-mirror puck. Ladies and gentlemen, it's here. They're shipping. I don't think we have all colors available to us just yet, but those will soon be rolled out. So the ones that we have in front of us, I'm going to showcase the tricolor version, and I did that strategically because all the other colors will operate exactly the same, just the difference of not having the tricolor. So let's take a look at the light. Here is the Feniex under-mirror, up close and personal. I want to point out that there is a puddle light LED in white under there in that little half moon crescent looking shape there. So just like the sound off signal intersectors, these are top firing LEDs with the PCB mounted up on the top. Really nice UV resistant polycarbonate lens. As you can see, there is a fluted lens in there. Their fluted lens design is a little bit different from the sound offs. And then of course we have a massive heat sink which follows all the way around the back with the Feniex logo there up underneath, as you can tell here. And then you have the mounting hardware hole there, and of course your pigtail. So these lights are sold separate, and they come in a wide range of pricing. The tricolor version, I believe, is $289, and then you know, they decrease with the less colors. The single color, I believe, starts at $159. Don't quote me on that. Definitely get a hold of us and find out. I'm just shooting this off the top of my head. I do apologize that I didn't have the accurate pricing with me when I went to do this video. But you can purchase these with a universal kit, which will come with a 0-degree wedge, a 5-degree wedge, which is what I have this one sitting up on. There's the 5-degree wedge. And then this one here that you see already installed, well, not installed, but sitting on this puck, this is the 10-degree wedge. So you got a 10-degree, a 5-degree, and then a 0-degree wedge that comes, that's the universal kit. Also comes with handy dandy foam gasket that, you know, I normally just toss over my shoulder. But we talked about that in a previous video. These are available with vehicle-specific mounting brackets, or mounting wedges, I guess we can use that term. So they're available for the 2011 and newer Dodge Chargers. They're available for the Dodge Ram 1500, 2009 through 2018. They're available for the Silverados 2014 to 2018. And the reason I'm stopping at 18 is because that's what's available. They're available for the Ford Explorer 2013 through 2019, for the Chevrolet Caprice 2011 and up, the Ford F-150 2015 and newer, the Ford Taurus 2013 until whatever date they discontinue them, and then also the Dodge Durangos 2015 and newer. So you can get vehicle-specific wedges if you find out that the universal kit doesn't work for your application. So let's talk about the leads. So of course you have your black, that's your ground. Your white wire on a tricolor, or I think they're all 3-mode. Mode 1, yellow is mode 2, white is mode 3. Now what that's nice for is, okay, so you have a tricolor light. You can make one of these the puddle light. You can steady burn just the white as a scene light, and then you can set your warning pattern. So you obviously have your ground. We have pattern change is our blue, and then your green, which is active in all of them except for the single color, is your color change lead. And what I'm going to do is, in this video, I'm going to pause it, I'm going to hook this up, and I'm going to explain to you how to set your patterns and change the colors and how that all works. All right, so if you guys just hold on for me real quick, I'll be right back. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so now I got this wired up. We're back in business. Now, one thing that I did not mention, which I probably shouldn't have to mention, but I will mention anyways, when it comes to the programmable modes, mode 1 is mode 1. Remember, mode 2 overrides mode 1. Mode 3 overrides mode 1 and 2. So if you have some sort of operation, say your puddle light is the operation, you want to override everything, make sure you set that to mode 3, because it'll override 1 and 2. Make sure you set mode 2 to your second priority operation, because it'll override mode 1, and make sure mode 1 is your least priority. Okay, so let's also say that just like every other Feniex product, this runs on between 9 volts and 15 volts. You cannot put this in a 30 volt system. You can't put this in a 24 volt system. Everything Feniex builds has a maximum input of 15 volts DC. So the current draw on these is 0.8 amps. So we're less than an amp on these. And of course, as always, make sure you fuse all your equipment to 125% of its operating current. Okay, so let's talk a little bit about how the light operates. It's a little bit different. It's similar in some ways and a little bit different in one major way. So obviously, as I explained, this is a tricolor unit. The first tricolor piece of equipment that Feniex has debuted. So to set your master and your slave the exact same way, you have to hold your you got to hold the blue wire. Oh man, I can't even remember now. Is it ground or is it power? Oh man. No, it's ground. Just like you're changing patterns. but hold it to ground 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, the light will do one of two things. Either all the LEDs will flash, that's master. If nothing happens, you're in slave mode. Now, of course, everybody knows that's how you have to set them up if you want them to alternate. If you want them to alternate, one must be in master, the other in slave. If you want them to synchronize, put them both in master. Okay, so to change your patterns, of course, you are going to put a negative ground to your blue wire. So I'm going to do that now. All right, see how it's sped up that pattern? We're going to do it one more time. Okay, so to switch between your color choices, remember you can program each of the three modes any way you choose. You are going to take the green wire and you're going to touch that to a positive 12 volts. Now that I touched my color change wire to 12 volt positive, that threw it into white. If I touch it one more time, it's going to give me red. Obviously, this is an amber, white, red configuration. So, you may ask, how do I put those colors together? One more touch to a positive 12 volts, it puts you into amber white mode. The next touch gives you red amber. One more isolates the red white. And last but not least, one more incorporates all three of the tricolor configuration. So that's how you'll set these. Make sure you get your master and your slave set up in the right configuration first. Go through, do mode 1, find the color you want. For example, I put mode 3 to a steady burn. Actually, I did the steady burn brake pop because that's just what I like for my steady burn scene lights. Now that overrides everything. Now, of course, you can set this to a instant on. See how it instantly goes on, doesn't give you the brake pop? You can set it that way too. And you could also, if you wanted to, set it to a dim, or you can set it to the puddle. Let's show the puddle. All right, folks, so that's pretty much it. You guys have any questions, concerns, anything like that, put them down below. I'll get my pricing straight and probably incorporate that into the next video. The next video, I'm going to set these up and go through the patterns. So I appreciate all you guys stopping by. I hope you guys enjoyed the new Feniex Fusion undermirror puck. If you guys want to pick up a set of these, definitely get in contact with us. Give us a call, shoot us an email, comment down below that you want to get in contact with us. We can have a salesperson get a hold of you. If you like this video and you'd like to see more like it, please smash that thumbs up button. Lets us know that we're doing something right. If you have not subscribed, we ask that you do. If you do decide to subscribe, please click that bell icon just to make sure that you don't miss out on any of our uploads. And we ask that you guys share our videos and share our Facebook page and our Instagram page and our Twitter page with all your friends and family. You never know when there's a first responder that can benefit from our equipment, our services, our expertise, what have you. Please be kind to one another out there. And also, until next time, be safe out there.